Good morning and welcome to Trading Hour. It is the last day of what has been a rather eventful week. Our team at TH is here to take you through the next 1 hour, and the screen is looking quite interesting, perhaps to say the least. Let's pull up the Nifty intraday and see what's going on. I just want to start with the Nifty intraday and then we'll take it to my co-hosts, and that's the chart. The market always gets a little worried every time you get into this gentle downward slope. And that process is kind of underway, not quite, still about 0.5% higher. But let's see. That's the catchphrase, Pavitra, isn't it? Because a lot of the Asian markets are still doing better. Well, we're up, for what it's worth, 0.5% right now.
Like you said, it's just been a crazy week. And we've seen so much go down already. In fact, let's take a look at some of the sectoral moves that have come through this week. And you can see the kinds of cuts that we've seen. The PSU bank index has definitely been the weakest. It's down 5.5%. You have the Nifty private bank, which has seen a 3.5% cut. Nifty auto down 3.3%. That entire chart should come up for you. IT metals both seeing a cut of around 2%. So across the board, there has been selling pressure, whichever sector you look at. Today, the big focus is really on tech, right? Because most of the tech stocks are in the green, but TCS on the back of the announcement that came through last evening is the one which is in the red right now. So that is up on your screen. By the way, a lot of mid-cap IT companies also surging. We'll have Nimesh to fill us in with some details on an interesting report which has come through on this space. And the other space which is really surging today is the real estate pack. So, take a look at any of those stocks after the clarification that came through from DLF on the fact that they have in fact sold, all of those plots in Gurugram. That entire pack of stocks really surging.
Oh, yes, they are. Again, don't want to be the party spoiler here, but just keep your eye out on the Bank Nifty as well. And that has always been this market's Achilles heel in the last so many sessions. Even now, the Bank Nifty is now precariously close to the flat line, just about 30 points higher. And that's the reason why the Nifty is also cooling off. So let's see how this goes. We're still, pretty early in the trading session, but the headline and the spotlight really is on TCS. The stock has had a very interesting journey right from the start, from 915, opened down about 0.5%. Now it's trying to recover some ground. It's actually not even properly flat. Traded in positive. Just about 0.2% of a decline. So this is a good time to bring in Rima, who will talk about a lot of other things. But Rima, we have to start with TCS. You take it away on the big story and the developments from last evening.
Thank you very much for that. In a sudden